Hello students, I'm Zara Fatima. Welcome back to our channel. Students, this video is for intermediate CEC and MEC students, BCom, BBA, MCom and MBA students, because in this video I'm going to explain you about the meaning of debenture and types of debentures, because the topic debentures and types of debentures are having by intermediate students, BCom, BBA, MCom and MBA students. So this video is going to be helpful for all the commerce stream students. Now let's see the meaning of debenture and types of debentures in detail. Now first see the meaning of debenture. Now debenture, its meaning: generally companies which need funds for their expansion and development for long period issued debenture to the public. A debenture is nothing but the acknowledgement of borrowing made by the company from the public. It is a certificate issued by the company under its common seal. It contains various terms regarding the loan, such as rate of interest, period of loan, the rights of debenture holders. The debentures are issued for a fixed period of time and repayable after expiry of the period. So students, every company needs finance for their expansion as development for long period. For that purpose, mostly company issues debentures for raising the funds from the public. So debenture is nothing but it is an acknowledgement of borrowing made by the company from the general public, and it is a certificate issued by the company under its common seal. That certificate, that acknowledgement contains various terms and conditions regarding period of loan, rate of interest and the rights of debenture holders, and these debentures are issued for a fixed period of time, and these debenture should be paid back after the expiry of the period. And the definition of debentures according to section 212 of the Companies Act: debentures include stock, bonds and any other securities of a company. So the definition consists: debentures includes stock, bonds and any other securities of the company. Now the types of debentures. First is redeemable debentures. These debentures are repayable at the end of the stipulated period mentioned in the bond. These debentures are commonly issued by the companies. The holder of these debentures will get back their money after the stipulated period mentioned in the bond. So students, redeemable debentures. So mostly companies issues these type of debentures. Redeemable debenture, the name itself mentioned redeemable. That means a company has to pay back the amount after the stipulated period of time which is mentioned in the bond. Redeemable debenture, the debenture holders will get back their amount after the specified period mentioned in the bond. Now next is irredeemable debentures. This type of debenture has not specified any fixed date for repayment, and the holder of these debentures cannot demand for payment as long as the company is functioning. The interest on these debentures must be paid regularly. These debentures are also known as perpetual debentures. So students, irredeemable debentures is also known as perpetual debentures, and the holder of irredeemable debentures cannot claim for payment of the fund from the company as long as company is functioning. Now convertible debentures. These debenture holders are given an option to convert their debentures into preference shares or equity shares on the expiry or a specified period. So convertible debenture holders given an option to convert. They can convert their holding into they can convert their debentures into preference shares or equity shares. Here the debenture holders have an option. They can convert their holdings into preference shares and equity shares after a specified period which is mentioned in the bond. So this type of debentures is known as convertible debentures. So here convertible debentures have an option to convert their holdings. Now non-convertible debentures. These debenture holders do not have any right for conversion of their holding into equity shares. Non-convertible debentures, the name itself mentions non-convertible debentures. That means here the holders do not have any right for conversion of their holding into shares. Non-convertible debentures, they do not have any right for conversion of their holding into shares, whereas convertible debentures, they have an option. They can convert their holding into preference shares and equity shares. Now secured debentures. Secured debentures are those debentures which are secured by the mortgage of particular asset of a company, known as fixed charge by the mortgage of general asset of the company known as floating charge. Secured debentures are also known as mortgage debenture. So students, secured debentures are those debentures which are mortgaged by particular asset of a company. That fixed charge by the company is known as floating charge. So this type of debenture holders is also known as mortgage debentures. Now unsecured debentures. These debentures are issued by the company without giving any security for repayment of fund and interest. These debentures are also known as simple debentures. So unsecured debenture, the name itself mention unsecured, that means without any surety, without any securities. So these debentures are issued by the company without giving any security for repayment of fund as well as interest. Now registered debentures. These debentures are registered in the books of the company. The name and addresses of these debenture holders are entered in the register kept by the company. They are not transferable merely by delivery. Every transfer should be registered with the company. Interest is payable to registered holders only. So here registered debenture. These debenture holders are registered. Their names and addresses are registered in the books, in the records of the company, which is kept by the company, and they are not transferable merely by delivery, and every transfer should be registered with the company. Now bearer debentures. The name and addresses of these debenture holders are not registered in the books of the company. They are transferable by merely delivery. Interest on such debentures is payable on the basis of coupons attached with the debenture certificates, are called as unregistered debentures. So students, unsecured debentures, the name and addresses of these debentures are not registered in the books of the company, and they are merely transferable by delivery, and interest on such debentures are payable on the basis of coupons that is attached with the debenture certificates. These debentures are also known as unregistered debentures or bearer debentures. So I hope till here all the students get the clarity about the meaning of debentures and types of debentures. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are coming first time to the channel, if you not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon also, so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. And stay connected with us and comment me which topic lecture you want next in my videos. So stay connected with us. Thanks for watching the video, and on our YouTube channel other lectures are also there. Visit there. Thanks for watching.